Yo, welcome back to another video, guys, and today, because nobody commented on the last video, I'm going to be playing Battle Royale. And as I was saying in the other take, now I have this thing on, so even if I do like this, can't hear anything because it's licensed and I don't have the license to it. So yeah, I've turned that on, so now I shouldn't be able to get copyrighted by that. But this is the third take. The first take, it didn't work. I opened the menu, then it worked for some reason. Then the second take, I ended up doing an emote by accident, and then like the wrong emote by accident, which was really loud. And now it's this take. Oh. Okay, so I won't show you the item shop because I'm recording it the day before. But well, I was gonna show you anyway, but like, I'm gonna try and keep this a short one because I've saw that you guys like the shorter ones better. So like, I'll put that one up earlier, like not yesterday, sorry. It's really strange to talk like you're a day in the future, and what is it? I forgot what I was going to say now. What was I saying? What was I saying? I have no clue what I was saying. Okay, but what do you guys think about the Kaby Lame or Kaby Lame or however he says name? How do you guys think about, like, what do you guys think about him being in Fortnite? I quite like his skin, but like, I know that a lot of people don't. So like, yeah. Man, I really can't remember what I was talking about. Yeah, well, anyway, I usually play here. Oh yeah, that's what I was saying. Remember now, finally. I was saying that like I'm gonna keep this video nice and short because I saw in the last video from yesterday about my Roblox one. You might not saw it, but I did a shorter one that was how long was it? It was about half an hour long, and then I put an extended version up, which was the full time that me and my friend were playing the Roblox game for. And as I'm recording it now, the shorter one's got 20 views, and the one that's longer, that's an hour and 40, not an hour and 15 minutes. That's got no views. So I think that you guys like shorter videos a lot more, and on my shorts feed I've saw that like a lot of you guys you haven't been like, you've only watched like 13 seconds of them, so like yeah, so I'm guessing that you like it nice and short. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh yes, nuclear cola. What do you guys think about the new nuclear cola and stuff, and the collab with Fallout? I think it's pretty cool. I've never played the Fallout games though, so I don't know like how, like 1-to-1, if it's like 1-to-1 or what. Or both saw each other. Don't know why I did that. Dead. Get dead, bro. Bro, just get better at the game. Oh, yo, guys, I was gonna show you this. Oh, where is it? Oh, yeah, it's just around here. Like, I found it either last season or the season before. Yeah, you just sit here, get your shotgun out, then just wait for someone to pass by. Found that in like the last zone of, like one of the last zones a few months ago. I need to get that supply drop. Yo, what do you guys think about my combo? I think it's pretty nice. I mean, like the pickaxe don't really go, but like the little guy on my back and aura go quite well. Oh, there's my supply drop. Yo, what's your guys' favourite season? Mine is Chapter 2, Season 8, because that's when I really started playing. Yo, comment down below what your favourite chapter and season is. Oh yeah, I can build. Yes, I'm the best at building too. This is why I always play those. I should have really boxed up that flash. Oh, that's nice. I'll take that as my AR. I do have my build look thing very high, so I can like whip around like that. Just go whoopee-ow, if you know what I mean. Yo, should I go to that fight? Yeah, I'm gonna, because like that's gonna make it more exciting for you guys. There's already Kid here. He's waiting for me. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I accidentally touched my trackpad. Whoops. My long finger went on my trackpad by accident. Where are you? Are you down there? No way, Blood fell. No way, Blood thought that I was still down there. Oh yeah, thanks for that. Thanks for the boost, bro. Mosquito. Oh, that is nice. I'll take that. Thank you very much. I love DMRs. To the fighting we go. Oh, my nitro's gone. That kid was nice, giving me some free nitro there. I thought that Nuka-Cola gave you nitro, but it can't do, because I saw a video like earlier, I think it was, and it said that like this person was trying to run through a wall. It was about this person trying to run through a wall after drinking Nuka-Cola. Oh, that was nice. Because the friend did it, but they thought it was Nuka-Cola, not splashes. Yeah, I stood still. You stood still now. Fatal mistake. Oh, that's nice. I'm right here. Yeah, this spot's a good spot. Good spot to land if you know where it is. Unlike me, I don't know where it is, like at all. All I know is that it's somewhere. Oh, it's next to the nitro door. Oh yeah, the other video got copyrighted because of the noise coming from the Nitro Dome, and now it shouldn't happen because I've got the sound thing off. So like I had like a copyright claim or something, a copyright claim or two, because like of the music. It's still going on. Yo, what? Yo, one sec, guys. Why am I stood out in the open? Huh? Maybe this is just Fortnite's own music. That isn't thingy. Hopefully it is. Yeah, I did not realise that this was that thingy. Yo, what is that? What's that blue ring? Yo, what? Oh, 5 seconds, what? You have 5 seconds to live. What is happening? Also, this is what the thing is. I thought that you just had to like stay alive in it. That's all I thought that it was. Yes, grenade launcher. The grenade launcher's OP. Yes. Oh, there. No! Oh, claim me a loot. Oh, yeah, that's nice. There's some. Oh, yes, nitro fist. Pop you. Take that gold. Oh, yeah, you don't get nitro. That's pretty sad. Yo, wait, what? The boss is here. Where the boss be? Where the boss be at? Oh wait, where is she? Oh, she be up there. The boss do be up here, and I do not be able to get up there. It seems I am incapable of it. Ow! Thanks for the nitro. Yo, get away! Hey, you. Yo, she do be dead. Ow! Oh, that's just a guard. It's just a doobie guard. Yo, why is there so many kids here? Or are they all just the dumb guard? Oh, yo, I got the infinite ammo medallion. Oh my god. Wait, does this have a scope? Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god, yeah, I have the car. I forgot that I have the OP car, don't I? Yo, let me get it, let me get it. Yo, let us in. Oh, yo, it should give, this medallion should give you infinite charges in your, what's it called? In your thing. Oh, this is so fast. Oh, I do not like this. This is way too fast. Yo, there's another kid with a medallion. Oh, why didn't he have a car? No, a good car. Ah. Yeah, I'm great with cars, aren't I? Oh, where'd that kid go? He went down there, seriously. What? Yeah, I'm gonna go to that fighting, guys. Yeah, I think that the cars regening all the time. Whoops. Right, watch it. In a second, don't regen. Don't be at full health. Oh, yo, they're lucky they're in a bunker. Ah, that hurt. Yo, what was that? Another medallion? Oh, it wasn't. Ah, what? I was just boosting forever, and I couldn't stop it. Oh, come on. Ah, no, don't go upside down. Good car, good car. Here's a good car, you're a good car. No, now you're a bad car. You okay? No, there's no one in that car. Oh, that is OP. Ah. Ah. My god, I did a whole 4 damage to that kid. Oh yeah, you can press the sprint button to boost. I usually just hold B. Ow. I won't hunt you down. Since I won't kill you if it's the last thing I do. Oh, that won't happen. No, I'm not letting you get in my car, boy. Oh, girl. Not letting him get in. Mate, there's another kid. They're teaming up on me, bro. Oh, you got a medallion. I'm running. Misha is dipping. Yeah, look, the car's regenning. Look, it's regenning like 5 pounds at a time. Yo, that's a neat touch, that. It's like goated. And I'll just get in there and hit that. Yo, guys, we're in 8th place right now. Huh? How are we in 8th place, guys? Yo, what are you doing, my guy? I'm sorry, where are you? Oh, it's in my car! The egg's in my car? What is Blood trying to do? Oh yeah, thanks for teaming with me. Yo, he's literally trying to team with me, I think. And I'm just trying to ruin his game for him. Yo, you know what is it? I'm gonna try and find some like really strong and good kid. And the only way that I'll go is that either I'm gonna die or my car's gonna die. I don't care if he's gonna die, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to either make him die or get out and run away. Oh yeah, let's go to the kid with the medallion. Oh, there he is, I think. Oh wait, I think he got out. Yeah, he got out. I made him rage out. There he is again. Mate, if I end up... Yo, what just happened? If I end up coming second and dying to him, just because I like put half of the car in storm. Hey, there he is! My guy, I have a car that's the most OP things this season. Imagine he popped my tyres when I have poppable tyres. No, don't let me go into storm. Wait, does any of my weapons need reloading? Yes, they do. Yes, they Scooby-Dooby-Doo. They do. Is this you again? Is that him again? No, it's... Yo, is that the cabbie that I saw from the lobby? In the lobby? I have no clue. If someone finds out, or if that was you, comment in the comment section below. Oh yo, I've took a lot of damage and I did not even realise. And my windscreen's broken. It's been broken for a while. Oh wait, no, they have EMPs, don't they? The bounty buses have EMPs, guys, so watch out. Just saying, you might want to watch out for that. That's why I'm running away from this guy here. Who's shooting at me? Yo, is that the kid with the medallion? Better not be. Yeah, get into that deep water, boy. And stay in there. Can't even get out myself. Oh, he is the kid with the medallion as well. Oh my god, I'm in first person. What's the tick? It's a 5 tick. Oh my god, I'm lucky. He must be so mad right now. I would literally be screaming. If I was him, I would be screaming. I literally can't feel my legs. I'm that scared right now. I just don't want to lose so badly. But I know that I am. No, 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 no. No, this might be the death of me. Oh, it's that cabby again. Oh man. Shouldn't have done that. No! No! I'm dead here. Oh no! I'm even more dead? No, 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 no. Get that cacti! Make my husband die. My card's dead. Oh, it's a 1v1. This is a 1v1 situation. I repeat, a 1v1 situation. No, I dropped my mythic. I accidentally dropped my mythic. What? No way! How did he do that much damage? Man, why is he looting up? Why is he looting up? Oh, come on. Yeah, look, it's still glitched. Like, it says win a match after thanking the bus driver and stuff. Oh, I got a level. Oh, I got this stuff. Yo guys, I think I'm gonna end things off for the video today. This won't come out either dinner time or 5 or like tea time tomorrow. So like yeah, well, Thursday for you guys. So today for you guys and tomorrow for me. So goodbye.